Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel ID page. If you guys see my my previous video that I did opening and closing to Walt Disney's Mickey's Twice Upon a Christmas. If you want to see for yourself, just go check it out my YouTube channel ID page here, folks. Feel free to see it for yourself. Now, tonight is November 25th of 2024, and I wanted to give a shout out to. Before that, here's some. Before I do give a shout out, I have it's time for a surprise video I'll be doing here, guys. Now, this came from the mail today. If a film came out today, now, as you can tell, I'm kind of start watching something else for now, but I'm gonna give my thoughts of it too as well too. And I do not own a copyright. No copyright infringement intended for use. Content all rights reserved. Now, folks. Here's something different I'm going to do today. It's time for my surprise video here. Let's unbox the video. This came from the mail here too, as you know. Now, before I get started, I want to give a shout out. Before I unbox, I want to give a shout out to Aubrey S. 1987, Breezy Aubrey Station 87, Matthew V. 21688, Craig S. 1996 Television, Craig Simmons, Mark Leota, Lease Fan 18, 412 Hamrock, The Flicker 98, the VHS and CD Brony, or known as Fisher Rachel, LNK, the VHS Sky, Rodney 1279, Ben S 71287, NWB 1989, Nick Bishop, 412 Hamrock, Patrick Butler, Tyler TriStar 2 is back, Tyler Black, Brandon's Movie Corner, Brendan's Movie Collector, Ryan Goodwin's Movie Corner, Patrick Arajo, The Flicker 98, and New Time Travel Hyman 88, Justin Hyman. Now here's come from the mail. This it's my package. This came today. It's sealed up in the mail here too. So without further ado, let's unbox this video here. You want to see it, folks? Here it comes. In 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go, folks. Enjoy. Let's unbox it. All right, let's see. Ta-da! And voila! It is my VHS copy of Walt Disney's The Santa Claus. It's my VHS copy of Walt Disney's The Santa Claus, starring Tim Allen as starring Tim Allen as Scott Calvin / Santa Claus. And as you know, Tim Allen is also the star of his sitcom as Tim the Toolman Taylor in his sitcom television series Home Improvement. And then a year later, Tim Allen is also voiced as Buzz Lightyear in Walt Disney's Toy Story a year later, alongside with co-star Tom Hanks, voiced as Woody. This has a preview for Toy Story at the beginning, as you know. It says, in putting on this suit and entering the sleigh, the wearer waives any and all rights to previous identity, real or impiled, and fully accepts the duties and responsibilities of Santa Claus until such time that wearer becomes upside down, unable to do so either by accident or design, putting on the suit and entering. The sleigh, the wearer waives any and all rights to previous identity, real or impiled, and fully accepts the duties responsibilities of Santa. Okay. The New York Post calls it destined to become a holiday classic. Here's the front, the spine, the character profile of Scott Calvin and / Santa Claus. I can get a better look here. The other spine. Both spines character profile of Scott Calvin / Santa Claus. The top and the back. Jeffrey Lyons, ABC TV, calls it wonderful, good family fun. Now, it was going to be released by Hollywood Pictures, but because children seems to like it so far, they decided to give it to Walt Disney Pictures logo instead. I know the Santa Claus is a Walt Disney. I know the Santa Claus is a Walt Disney home video title. Now, on the demo VHS of it, here, one reviews again. The New York Post calls it now you can unwrap all the magic. Okay, sorry. That's what it says in there. New York Post calls it destined to become a holiday classic. Destined to become a holiday classic. That's what it says in there. I forgot to mention that. The best actor, the star of his sitcom in Home Improvement, before he voiced as Buzz Lightyear in Toy Story a year later. This has, like I said, this has a trailer for Toy Story at the beginning as well too. This was sealed when I got this. Okay, it's in the paper sleeve. Let's unwrap this. I do know there's a 2002 VHS of the Santa Claus. I do have the 2002 DVD as well too. There's also a 2002 VHS as well too. Now, I forgot to mention this. Now, on the demo VHS of the Santa Claus, it has the flashbang feature presentation bumper. But on the actual copy of the Santa Claus, it has the lilac blue feature presentation bumper. This came out on home video October 25th, 1995, shortly after the release home video of Walt Disney's Cinderella 1950, and also came out a month after release. Walt Disney's A Goofy Movie came out on September 6, 1995 as well too. Here, I'll make so I set up Walt Disney video sticker on there. Just give me a second here. I know it's sealed up. Just 1 second here. Give me 1 second here. There. says approved for purchase tab here. You can see I already sliced it up here. The Walt Disney the Walt Disney Home Video label for the Santa Claus. All this came sealed. Yeah, this came sealed when I got this. This came sealed when I got this. Yeah, give me a second here, folks. Let me remove the purchase tab in there too. I'm gonna wait till after this. Yeah, this came sealed when I got this. That was also my VHS of, same from the VHS of a Walt Disney's A Goofy Movie and a Cinderella as well too. So it comes inside with this. Save $5 by mail when you buy 6 eligible General Mills Big G cereal plus Walt Disney's The Santa Claus or one other eligible Disney video for it as well too, from Walt Disney Company as well too, from General Mills stuff and everything else. Save $5 by mail when you buy 2 videos, Walt Disney's The Santa Claus and one other eligible video from Disney when you purchase the Santa Claus on home video, when you purchase it. Here's something like this. There's Walt Disney's 30 animated feature Pocahontas after Walt Disney's 32nd animated feature The Lion King as well too. We'll show you the print date as soon as all the stuff in it too for the Santa Claus. Oh, never mind. I see it. Some of you comes from Christmas, as you know too, for vacation. And here's all the business reply card. Will show you out afterwards. The feedback from Walt Disney Home Video will show you. We'll show that afterwards. We'll show you after. We'll show right after. Nice. Which I do have. There's a Goofy Movie. All we got to steal the brand new. I know there's also a demo VHS of a Goofy Movie. On the demo VHS of a Goofy Movie, it has the flashbang feature presentation bumper, but on the actual copy of the retail sales copy of Goofy Movie has the lilac blue feature presentation bumper as well too. This is your last chance to get these ones. Well, these two are expired on January 31st, 1995. The Fox and the Hound and Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. There's the Lion King. I do have it on there too as well. I did open and close, and you want to see it, check it out. This is dedicated to James Earl Jones as well too. There's the Walt Disney Masterpiece Collection. There's the Walt Disney Masterpiece Collection. There's Family Film Collection, the Family Film Collection, and many others so too. There's Angels in the Outfield. I do have it also too. Hope I get it sometime. Sealed and brand new, and on a demo VHS. There's D2 to My Ducks. There's the Jungle Book, and the live action one. There's Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. I do have it as well too. There's Winnie the Pooh, and there's Johnny Carson. There's Cinderella as well too. Forget my thoughts of it too. And here comes the officials, the feedback from Walt Disney Home Video for the Santa Claus. Yep, well, that's just everything it. It expires January 31st, 1996. Okay, now let's look at the VHS itself. Now here's a VHS to look like for Walt Disney's The Santa Claus. And let's see, the print date is... The print date is September 6, 1995. This is printed the same day the release on home video of Walt Disney's A Goofy Movie came out. I think one has a preview for Arabian, The Thief and the Cobbler, I think it is. Or I'm not sure what it does. I'm gonna test this, see what works. I'll test it in a second afterwards too. Just give me 1 second. Everyone can purchase that there too as well. Yeah, I remove the proof of purchase or the Santa Claus. Let's put this back in there too. I don't know what the stuff is inside there thing. Here, let me see if I can do this. Wait, just 1 second here. Wait 1 second. Alright folks, I'm gonna wrap this video here, but be sure to don't forget to leave a comment on my video here, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys from the next video tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna do this open and close into Walt Disney's The Santa Claus starring Tim Allen for its 30th anniversary. This one came out on Veterans Day of 1994. For its 30th anniversary when it came out in theaters at the time. Until then, folks, don't forget to like and comment on my video here, folks. So this is Drew Franklin signing off, and I will see you guys from the next YouTube video tomorrow, coming tomorrow for this opening and closing to VHS of the Santa Claus. And I'm going to say take care of you guys, and goodbye, everybody. And Happy Christmas.